we talk about money also. Okay.
What do you do with money, Rehan?
100 rupees to spend 5th, na? And 5 rupees to spend 6th. And this 20, this 10 rupees, little distances. And 5 piece is too expensive.
500 rupees?
100
This
rupees.
is 20 rupees. Can you
20.
show me? Oh, this is 20 rupees. Okay, can you show me 500 rupees? 500 rupees. That's good. Can you show me 100 rupees? 100 rupees. Very good. Can you show me 10 rupees? Yeah. What do we do with money?
We buy toys. We buy toys and food. Toys and food and chicken, everything we buy. Everything, no? ₹10. 500. 10 rupees. 20 rupees. 100. 500. Bye bye guys. See you